people you know, yo, what's up? Then all of a sudden, all eyes are on me, you know? Tupac style, all eyes on me. So then all of a sudden, you're like, oh shit, I better pull a move out, because people are not going to be impressed if I don't. So all of a sudden, the typewriter comes out. And then there's just a slight variation on the typewriter, which is that of the calculator. And you can pretty much do that constant because the calculator is more digital and it doesn't have to go back and forth. But the typewriter, when you're doing the typewriter, you have to push it back each new line, you know? So